So, after a billion years of waiting, we finally got a new version of the Apple Vision Pro, referred to by Apple as the Apple Vision Pro. This upgraded headset brings some improvements that will surely improve the Vision Pro experience, and some that I'm a little confused by. First of all, if you already have the 2024 Vision Pro, then I probably wouldn't suggest upgrading to this new one, since there really isn't any trade-in program as of now, and the feature set isn't grand enough to run out and get one. Still, these new features are definitely nice to have. First of all, Mark Gurman was wrong when he said that the headset was going to have an M4 chip because it ended up being an M5 instead. Aside from being a bigger number than the M2 chip found in the original, it'll allow for much smoother performance and will probably make you better at your games, but Apple didn't confirm that last part. It'll also allow for 10% more pixels to be rendered, but there's no exact resolution disclosed and I can't do math, so we'll leave it at that. There's also support for 120Hz. Specifically, they mentioned that it reduces motion blur in pass-through and can be used in the Mac Virtual Display. I wonder if that will be on by default for Vision OS, or if it'll just be for content that supports it to save on performance and battery. Speaking of battery life, it got an extra 30 minutes of use, so 2.5 hours of general use and 3 hours of video playback. By far my biggest request for a new Vision Pro is to make the darn thing lighter, which unfortunately they did not do at all. Instead, they made a dual knit band to act as a counterbalance for the heavy headset. It uses tungsten inserts and has an adjustment dial on the side just like the solo knit band. Honestly, I'm very skeptical of how well this would reduce headaches and cheek pain, so I'll definitely wait for what others say about it. I personally love the look of the solo knit band, so if this is both comfortable and stylish, then I think it's worth picking up. Anyways, that's pretty much the biggest new features, same price as the 2024 model if you're wondering. I saw some guy on YouTube say that Steam Link VR support will be officially coming, but I haven't seen a single thing regarding that. The regular flat screen Steam Link is available, but not the PC VR Stream version just yet. I'm definitely not getting this headset since I'm waiting for the Vision Air whenever that comes out, but let me know what you think about it in the comments. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and take care.